Hello.
Yes,
Sir, shall we
you can
start?
start.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, sir.
very good afternoon to you all, my dear
I'm
IGT
Tanmay.
students and all. Yes,
Okay, good afternoon, sir. I'm Tanmay Samal, and I feel privileged to welcome you to Riiipee 2.0, Role of Industry Institute Interaction to promote education and entrepreneurship. This is a 3-day workshop, and today is the last day. This program has been organized to create a healthy relationship between the students and different eminents from the industrial sector. This would give us a glimpse of how the industrial sector works. Well, Dean Williams once said, the aim of education is the knowledge, not our fact, but our values. It is on occasion like this we get opportunities to test our knowledge and understanding. We look forward to get an exposure about what the best brain think about the various industrial sectors and thus enlighten us with their experience. So now I would like to call upon Rais Ms. Sagarika to introduce Mr. Pratap Jena sir. Hello. Hello.
yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I would like to introduce Mr. Pratap Jena sir, who is a reversed industrialist and academician with an experience of over 25 years. Currently, he is the senior manager at Iron Triangle and formerly at Surya Treatment Plant at BBSR. He has completed his master's in management from the prestigious Delhi University and postgraduate diploma in management from IMB. He has also achieved his research experience from Indian Market Head, Hyderabad, a former channel head at Nasatra Group and also a former professor at RCM. Pratap sir is also a celebrated personality with his interests gathered over the entertainment industry as well. Now I would request him to address the gathering.
Well, thank you very much to my IGT student person, and I wish you all the best for you.
Excuse me, sir.
And my dear professors of IGT Sara and my dear students, first of all, I'm having a very hard relationship with the IGT, and not
Sir,
only today,
sorry to
last long
interrupt
time.
you. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, this video will be live streamed in YouTube. If you have no problem, then can we live stream it?
yes, you're most welcome.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I can tell this is the right time when there was a relationship between industry and student or industry and education. And after all, after 4 years, you'll be a executive in any company, maybe in industrial sector or in core company or in software company, whatever. The thing is that it's the right platform. And most important thing is that you have your planning in any organization. To start an organization or to establish your career, you will have to require four things: land, labor, capital, and organization. Out of three things is ready. You have the land, you have the capital, you have last is organization. Organization, you are the organization, how to organize your industry, how to create a best profile in any industry. And that requires planning. For example, you are coming to the Shilla, you prepare a plan. I'll be an engineer, and you've taken your college IGIT. You are thinking, yes, IGIT is the right platform where I can establish my career and I can be a good engineer. Then in every year, you first take best planning, and if you have a good planning, then your organization, your quality, and your exports will come up. And after the organization part is over, and you'll have the controlling power should be come, and you should have a control in your education field. You are coming for 4 years, and I'd like to tell you, it is also industry. Your IGIT is also industry. They are producing man. Maybe you are producing machine. IGIT is also industry. You are the raw materials, and you are coming with the solid materials, and again you will use in other industries. And this is the right time where you can prepare yourself to a best personality for the coming days. Well, this is your first thing I told you. Again, I'm telling you, in every field. Now, hello, it is audible. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my voice? Well,
Yes, sir.
this is you are already executing. I think you are all final year student or third year student. And this is the right time. This is the right time to make yourself fit for industry. And as far as the management is concerned, I'm telling you, in engineering also, if you don't have a managerial capability, you cannot be a good engineer. Even if also management is such a thing, everywhere it requires. You go to your home, your father is a good manager, your mother is a good manager, how to control your family, your father, how to control the finance, and you are also, you are executive of your family. Like that. In any industry, you can see top management to bottom. Everybody should be qualitative and quantitative. Then our product will be the best product in the market. I'm just telling you. You know, you might have heard about the name of Rishi Modi. He became the chairman, managing director of Tata Group, and he started his career with a tagline. Never think, what is your platform? Think, I'm the best and I can do the best. I can achieve the best. You can ask to the people from Gujarat. My company belongs to Gujarat. And one, my managing director, he came and told me, there was a meeting. He just told, we started our business in a very big chunk. Now the turnover is more than 50,000 crores. Now they are committed. We'll do this. We'll do this. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they are thinking always when you are coming to be a student of IGIT, you should think we are coming for 4 years. And this 4 years is an important time for you. You spend your 4 years in a proper way, proper manner, proper forum, and your entire life you will enjoy. If you spend unnecessary 4 years, you will spend entire times by crying. Somebody will tell, I don't have any job. I am not completed my engineering. So this is called planning. In every field, you can see small industry. I can tell Tata. Tata is now become a top industry. They are producing everything. Never think where I am working. Always think why I am working and where I am working. You work everywhere in a small scale industry, small big industry. If you work hard, you can achieve a best target in your life. For example, suppose you are an engineer. You want to be start an industry. Where I'll start industry? Why I'll start industry and when I'll start industry? Or suppose your capital is at 5 lakhs, your father is telling, अरे आप तो इंजीनियर बन गया चलो 5 लाख रुपए देता हूँ छोटा सा इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट करो भुवनेश्वर अब 5 लाख में it is your capital. You have to study the market. What type of industry I'll start within this particular amount and from where I'll get my profit. For example, you will start a bakery industry. Where you will start your bakery. For example, Patya area, lot of colleges are there. You start a bakery industry. Go to all colleges, go to all hostels, and take the orders. Supply the bakery properly and qualitatively. Definitely, your product will be demand, and your organization can develop. That is most important. Whenever you are coming to prepare your career, you are not an engineer now. After all, you think I'm an executive after 2 years. Then you can achieve your target by a target. What type of target? For example, you are in software, you are in a core group. Always choose your best choice. For example, a person is wanting core company, wait and go to a core. If somebody is wanting a software, go to software. But go to core, after due time you go to software, your planning is changed. You should keep the most important thing about your planning. Once your planning is over and you organize properly and control everything and directly you will be the best entrepreneur you can. In our India, Indian condition, I'm telling you. Before sometimes back, India was dependent lot of products from the roads. Even if also China, one slogan was there. मैंने WhatsApp में देखा था हर China का product short time है, but Corona became long time. But India is such a country, must produce produce, not pass, produce the vaccine. Why? The scientists, the government, our entire system wants how we can control. Everywhere, even China, they work hard and they produce the medicine or vaccine. So in entrepreneurship, most important, you will have to be a positive quality and always think, yes, I can do. Always be positive. I'm telling you. For example, there was everywhere accident is going on. If there is an accident in any platform, for example, in my plant, some electrical problem was there. For example, a labor expired. You should not be worried. Try to face, try to see what will be the situation, how you control the situation, and how you can control the labor groups. That is most important. That's the most important thing of the management. Management, if you are a good management, you can achieve best target in your family life, your private life, your college life, your entire everywhere. Management is an important part. Without management, you cannot be a successful entrepreneur. You can see why the Gujarat company, why our success. You just see before sometimes back, Adani came to the market, and you can see Adani now in industry, Adani in mines, Adani in port, Adani Wilmar, everywhere, because they are thinking we will be the best industry. You know, as far Reliance Group is concerned, there are two Reliance Group. One Reliance Group is the number one, and one Reliance Group nowadays is very sick. Why? Because the management is poor. Even if also once upon a time I met a person, Mr. Pratap, he's from Gujarat and he completed management from IIT. I asked to him, you got a beautiful campus, what you will do? Sorry, bhaiya, I'll go for my business. I asked, you have any existing business? He said, no, whatever business you like to do. He told me, my mother is preparing idli. You might have seen this particular article in Instagram. My mother is very nicely preparing idli. You know idli? So I'll do a industry of idli industry. Became an IIM student, and you will not believe his turnover nowadays, some thousands crores in idli business. Not only idli, different type of food item. He's supplying to US market, to European market, to Gulf countries. Can you imagine our Sambalpuri sari costing 1,000, 2,000? What the cost in US? It is more than 5 lakhs. You can take product from the Odisha and you sell it to the foreign countries and you will be a good entrepreneur and be a good exporter. Our stone, Jagannath stones and all these things are very demand in the foreign market. Last time I visited a lot of times to Kumar Muskets and my entertainment work. I have seen people are so crazy for Odisha product, but never. हम लोग क्या करते हैं भाई हमको एक नौकरी मिल गया इधर never don't how much money you are getting nowadays tell me TCS is coming to all the lot of colleges hardly I think 25,000 they are paying to the students. I think you start a small industry and I'm sure you will get more than 1 lakh after few days, but you have to be patient, then you can succeed. In your engineering field, I'm telling you, those people are got campus, they're fine. And I would like to give a lot of thanks to Mr. Chaudhary Shah, who is your placement head. He's a nice man. And always he's telling, our student is the best. Please, even if also our company already decided we'll go with the student from IGP. You know why? I talked to one girl. I talked 2-3 minutes in the morning time from your college. I quite impressed. She's a good quality and always think our IGIT people are the best in India. Never think what is called IIT, what is called NIT. Why not you IGIT? They are also like you. They are nothing. A management from any institute. He may be from IIM, he may from Indian Institute of Planning Manager or XLRI or Javier. Management, you have to create and you have to bring water from a stone if you have a management. Right, my dear students, it's a nice talking with you. And today morning, I had a time, but there was some problem in our plant. So I request you allow me in the afternoon time. And in a very small time, you are giving me. But in last 25 years, I'm telling you, I I was in a different industry. I was in news. I was reporting. I have seen the ground zero also in reporting. It's a very interesting job, but you can might have seen a lot of news channels and nowadays they are fighting each other for their TRP. Yeah, TV company, you want, for example, uh, any brand, why they are getting TRP maximum? Because they are doing the best. So definitely, people do the best. You'll be appreciated everywhere. Nowadays, you might have seen Indian students, and especially our ODIA students, are getting lot of students are getting civil service. Why? They are trying. They are thinking we will make our plan. We will go for this line. They are preparing themselves. That is most important thing. And you are the best judge upon yourself. You are the your creator, your future creator, your family creator everywhere. For example, I'm telling you, when I was doing my management, I had a friend called Jitendra. He never serious. He was never serious for his study. Asked what Jitendra is doing. तो फादर मेरे को काफी गाली दिया. अरे वो पढ़ाई नहीं करता है, घूमता है, ये करता है, वो करता है. 4 साल के बाद दोबारा उनका पुणे से मेरा बात है. बोले साहब जी जितेंद्र क्या कर रहे हैं? अरे he got a job in Switzerland. He's like this. You know, रिजल्ट. कोई कुछ नहीं देखता है, रिजल्ट देखता है. What is your result? 90%. He's a brilliant. You are doing what you are studying every time, but the result is less than 50. No, यार, वो पढ़ाई नहीं करता है, घूमता है. So in everywhere, in business field, I'm just telling you, as per Odisha is concerned, Odisha is one of place for the lot of land are there, mineral are there, mines are there, water is there, labor is there. But tell me how many Odiyas are entrepreneurs? Because we are thinking, my father spent money for me. Okay, I got a campus. Chalo ho gaya. Please first you think I'll be entrepreneur. You can work and you can give job to others, which is the most important. In this world, in this corona devastating situation, people they don't have any job. If you can, if you can give job to some people, if you can be entrepreneur, it is good for the society. It's good for growth. Think for an entrepreneur. Start any industry, small scale. Never worry for job. If you are qualitative, quantitative, money will come after you, job will come after you. Never go after job. ठीक है, 6 महीना एक साल हो गया, आपको जॉब नहीं मिला, नो प्रॉब्लम. You prepare your higher studies and always think, yes, I'll get a best job or best industry. Once you lost that confidence, everything will be lost. So in such a nice occasion, while you're training investment, and I'm sure last time also I visited your college. Lot of times I visited IGIT Saran, and I'm sure IGIT is one of the best colleges in not only in Odisha and eastern part of our country, and you are all of the best students of IGIT. And do your career, maybe in job, maybe in any business, and I'm sure you'll do best. Think in any business. You think if you can go to small industry. Think from there, today I got a profit of 100 rupees. Tomorrow I'll get more. After tomorrow I'll get more. Business will be like this in a graphical way. And sometimes loss profit is there. Never think today I'm having a loss. Chalo, I'll make up. You could ask to any Marwari families, 90% Marwari families will tell, नहीं हमको business करना है. क्यों? सारा इंडिया देखो, सारा वर्ल्ड को देखो, मारवाड़ी पीपल आर देयर. You go to Punjab. पंजाब में घर घर में बिजनेस है, खेती बाड़ी है, और उड़ीसा में lot of lands are there, irrigated land, but people are not doing their irrigation. You start a farming. Nowadays, lot of technology are there. New technology, apply the new technology, and your profit will be like anything. I've seen in Bhubaneswar, girls are doing, momos dokan or like that, something like that. Really thankful to them. I was coming from 2 days back. I've seen a vegetable shop. One girl was there. I stopped my car, asked, "It is your shop?" What nicely she replied, "Yes, sir." Well, what you are doing? No, sir, I am completed my English postgraduate from Riiipee. I is doing job in Delhi. Due to Corona, I'm staying in my home. Why I'll sit idle? I started a vegetable shop. I just told that girl, really thanks to you. You know, Sarang. Sarang is a such a culture, is a such a rich area. Lot of coal mines are there. Mines are there, coals are there. You go to Sarang, you go to culture area, all industry are there. Oh, why? Because Jindal is there. Where they are getting, I don't know their place. They are supplying through Paradip Port first. They are having road communication. So they are starting the industry. Like you. For example, you have completed plus two science and you have chosen IGIT. You know why? It's a government college, it's a very old college. They are doing the placements. Lot of facilities are there. Like this. Suppose you like to start an industry. How? Whatever things you like to see before starting any industry. Can you tell me? To start any industry, what are the items, what are the criteria you have to do? Who can tell me? Why you have chosen IGI? Tell me. Why you have IGIT? Why you are in IGIT? You appeared JE, right? You got success. Then you imagine IGIT is a old college, government college. Good placement are there, good professors are there, good hostels are there, right? Then you have taken IGI. Like this. If you like to start an industry, for example, you are thinking, I'll start an iron industry. Why iron? Where I'll get my raw materials? How I'll get my raw materials? After the raw materials, where I'll get my labors? And after the finished product, where I'll send my products? Can you tell me what is the market and marketing? What is called market?
Where all the products are available.
Yes, tell me what is called market?
So that the products are sold and purchased
Well,
in some place.
right. Market a common word where buyers and sellers meet together for a common purpose.
Yes, sir.
You tell me, IGIT is a market or not?
Something like that.
आपका IGIT एक market place है कि नहीं?
Somewhat like that.
Somehow क्या? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm doing what? I'm selling you intangible product. Product are divided by two parts. One is tangible, another is intangible. Your teacher are teaching you, that is called intangible product. They are selling their ideas to you, but because they are getting money, they are selling their ideas. That is called market. I'm right.
Yes, sir.
This is a product. This is a tangible product. I am tangible. This is also product. Study is also product, and you are also buying your product from your teachers because you are paying money. If you are teaching your brothers, if you are not getting anything, that is not sale. Then tell me what is called marketing. Can you tell me? I'm telling you, IGIT is a market. What is called marketing?
So that, marketing means purchasing.
No, beta, what is called marketing? What is called marketing?
Selling or
Well,
purchasing.
I'm just coming. You are all engineering student. I'm your teacher, for example, right? I'm teaching you. I'm selling you my ideas, and you become a top engineer. You got a job. You are satisfied. The entire chain is called marketing. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet together, but marketing is the entire total channel. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Are any doubts you can ask about the marketing? Because it's
No, sir.
important. Because your life is a market. You'll have to sell yourself to the market. When you are going to an interview, at the time, you prove your best, your product, your quality is the best. Then company will purchase you. They will pay you money. And you are a product, they will purchase you. And when they will purchase you, when you do the best work, company is satisfied, then that it is a best marketing. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
You are an
sir.
engineering student. You are a product. You are a product of IGIT, sir. IGIT is industry. When you will produce, when IGIT produced you, after your 4 years, you are best. When you will get a good job. And IGIT is in their profile. We have 200 students got TCS, 100 students got, because they are proud. They are thinking, हम लोग जो पढ़ाई किए हैं, हमारा स्टूडेंट ने अच्छा नौकरी लिया. Because they are getting money to teach you. They are selling their ideas. They are selling the intangible product to you. When you will be a product, when you will complete it, you will be a good engineer. At that time, you produce something and you do your market. एक छोटी सी कहावत है, कभी कभी यू आर गोइंग टू द कॉलेज, यू बिकम अ टॉपर, स्टूडेंट भी आपको बोलते हैं उन्होंने मार्केट ले ली. कभी सुना है ये बात? वो बढ़िया मार्केट ले ली. It means you are going to the best. If you are best, your market is best. If you do well, you are a good market. You have a good market. For example, America US captured the world economy. America is a best marketing country in the world. For example, our Prime Minister captured the entire Indian community. Then he is a best marketing man. If you are a good marketing people, you can achieve anything. You know, there is a proverb. Andhar aise mein darpana bikri. Have you seen that particular word? If you have a good quality of marketing, you can sell ice to Eskimo. What do you mean by it? Eskimo are staying in ice. You are such a marketing people, you can sell ice to them. You can sell, space to a blind people. And you can be the best daughter of your father, you can best bohu of your father, family, you can be a best employees in a company if you have a marketing quality. Marketing quality and leadership quality is the most essential part in everywhere. I'm telling you, in your college, there were, in your area, final year, for example, 500 students, hardly out of 500, 50 students are doing leadership. And I'm sure the leadership, they used to do better in their exam, better in campus, better in the country. People do well. Some of your students can give slightly comment. Oh, ऐसा करता है, देखो इसको देखो. But सुनो बेटा, आगे बढ़ो. Your motto, I'll do the best. I'll achieve my target. I'll be the best student. I'll get a best student. And I'm sure, do work hard for 4 years. You'll be a best marketing person in the world. I hope.
Sir,
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Sir, I'm having a question.
Yes. Most of it.
So, what is the role of leadership in a team? As you said about leadership, so what is the role of leadership in a team?
But A leadership is also a good leader is a good marketing. How you can capture, how you can be a good leader. You should have a 4 qualities: mental, physical, social, and behavioral. What is called mental? For example, I am a leader. I'll choose. I'll imagine what type of person he is. Suppose I am if you are in a leadership, I'll capture this. You'll have to mentally prepare. मुझे वो काम करना ही है. I want to achieve the target. You'll have to mentally prepare for that. Mentally, physically, why it is required. For example, you want to be a leader or you want to be the best marketing. For example, a gym company is there. Gym company, they used to take bodybuilder people, right? You should, a bodybuilder people can go for their marketing or leader. At that time, a Gulshan people also can go, right? Are you getting my point? If you are going to placement, why you are coming with a tie? Why you are preparing your style for a good quality? Because you are going for a software company, you'll work in a SC company, SC house. Physical, mental, social. You should be socially recognized. And your behavior is most important. If you have a 4 qualities, you'll be a good leader. Any other question to me?
Yes, sir. I have a question. Hello?
Yes, I'm getting.
Why students prefer other branches rather than civil engineering?
Civil engineering, one of the best branch, I'm telling you. I don't know. That is their choice. People are thinking civil. Remember, in this government, in the present scenario, I'm telling you, civil engineers are heavy demand in the market. Time was there when there was no project, no construction, and I'm telling you, just see in front of your college, 4 lane is going on. You just go and see the board. That company का नीचे लिखा हुआ JB, ITL Iron Triangle. Our company is the JB joint venture. Nowadays, everywhere you can go, construction part is going on. Different infrastructure work is going on. So civil engineers are having a good market. And remember, wherever the branch you have taken over, if you do well, if you have a brain, if you have quality, you will get a good job. Never think the demand. Create the demand. If you are a good student, create your demand. Demand, where demand comes. If you can go to economics, supply and demand. If supply is more, demand is less. If demand is more, supply is less. Never. If you are a quality student, you can create your demand. So you'll have to create. You are your best judge. You are your creator. I'm telling you, you are all student. You are all student. You come up to the job. No, always take easy. It's a very positive, positive quality, leadership quality, and always smiling. Paisa nahi padta, it is a good exercise. And you can do the best. Any other question?
No, sir. You can continue.
Okay. Sure. I'm having a time up to
Sir,
another
to
30
4
minutes.
o'clock.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I think you are in final year students.
No, sir. We are in 3rd year.
Very good. You are both are there. And there is a proverb. You are in 3rd year, after 2 times you go to final year. Right? This is the right time. Prepare yourself. Where I'll go. Accordingly, you prepare. If you choose your field, whether I'll go to a software, whether I'll go to a course, whether I'll do my own business, accordingly you prepare. If you will think for a business world or entrepreneur, always be positive. Go and take the industry, how the industry is going on, where manpower working is there, how the best quality. One thing, always think of the quality. In this, not only in this period, you can see if you have a quality, everywhere you will have to. You will have to create your quality. For example, you are 3rd year student. How you came to know? Last year, your seniors, they did this thing. So you become कि चलो हम लोग का सीनियर कर रहे थे हम भी करेंगे. This called practice. A practice makes a man perfect. Mistake is a part of human being. Have you heard that Valmiki Rishi? मरा से start करके राम राम हो गया. So never think I am doing any mistake. Mistake is a part of human. आप बोलेंगे हमको प्रॉब्लम है. अरे किसका जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, किसका लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, किसका इंडस्ट्री में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कौन सा कंपनी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम प्रॉब्लम हर जगह में प्रॉब्लम है. यू आर देयर टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. आपका कॉलेज में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हॉस्टल में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हर जगह में क्रिएट कॉमन थिंग. That's why the IGIT is there to produce you good engineers. Whenever you will be a good engineer, you will solve the problem. So this is the right person, right place, right time. And आपको मैं एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ. I've been before sometimes in India today. Due to Corona, the Indian people got a lot of knowledge. Maybe economics बहुत down हो गया, but we got lot of knowledge. You have you seen Delhi? Before 1 year, Delhi was looking like अभी Delhi शहर देखो पूरा clean, no pollution. हर चीज में अच्छा है बुरा है, हमको अच्छा चीज को लेना है. तो आप कहेंगे मेरे घर का पैसा नहीं है, मेरे को घर में प्रॉब्लम है, how can I do the study? If you are thinking, आपका दिल में है कि I'll be a good engineer, वही आपको रोकने. If you think I'll be a good businessman, you can be. Your commitment, your confidence is the most important thing in your study in business life. I worked in a different field. I'm a management person. I was a teacher. I was a news channel. I'm in a construction company. Even if also I did entertainment world. हमको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है, हमने कर दिखाया. आप लोग कर पाएंगे, कुछ भी कर पाएंगे. देखो ये वर्ल्ड में जो भी बनता है कौन बनाता है? ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाता है और कोई कौन बनाता है? अगर वो बना पाएगा तो हम क्यों नहीं बना? Once it will come to your mind, you will be a best person. If he is doing, why not me? Why not myself? India, Odisha produced test cricketer. Odisha produced lot of top IAS. Odisha produced different personality in the different field. Why not you, boy? You take a positive attitude, leadership quality, and work hard. And I'm sure you will achieve better. In business world, in your education field, everywhere. I have seen those students completed engineering from IGIT. I think they will not tell properly, because I've seen you go to Angul, there is another boss is there, then you take an auto, then you reach your college. There is no market in front of your college. You are adjusted because your aim, I'll be an engineer, right? Think I'll be not an engineer. You think I'll be a good engineer. I'll produce something to the society. I'll do something for the college. I'll do something for the society. If you do well, definitely Odisha will be proud. Your IGIT will be proud, and being a Odia people, I'll be proud. Never. Sometimes the students are telling, हमको नहीं होगा, हमारा फेल हो गया. Remember, failure is the pillar of success. अरे एक बार फेल हो गया तो next time try करो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? थर्ड टाइम ट्राई करो. क्यों मैंने फेल? मेरा क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इंटरव्यू मैंने फेल. Before going to a PI, I'll have to take a proper coaching, proper way how I'll face a person in interview. Make yourself good. Then you'll success. Any question
Sir,
from your side? Yes.
sir, one more question from my side. Sir, as I'm a civil engineer, so what skills are civil engineers should possess to get into industry?
One thing, are you quite, it is third year? It is third year?
Sir?
It is your third year?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you quite expert in AutoCAD?
Not so expert, sir, but I have done course, 1 month course I have done.
Only 1 month. Okay, fine. You complete before that. I'm telling you, construction or civil contractor. पहले engineering 3 branch था. Mechanical, electrical, civil. Highest demand था civil का. Second था electrical, third था mechanical. Nowadays people are going through the computer, so computer or electronic. You ask to a software engineer. In Bangalore, they're sitting. They are going to office by 9 and coming by 9:30, 11:30 to return. But civil engineer, you can create, you can do construction for the society and new things in the modern era. And I'm telling you, we have a bright future in the present scenario. In present time, I'm telling you, lot of demands in civil engineering. In our company, we are taking only civil engineers, diploma, degree, as well as ITI, draftsman, or like that. Civil engineering is having a very good demand, remember, and in the present, lot of government organizations there, lot of private sector are there, lot of public sectors are there, and civil engineers is a cream subject. Any question from any side? Chalo, let me complete very shortly. And before complete my speech, I would like to give a lot of thanks to, special thanks to Mr. Chaudhary sir, and thanks to you people, thanks to all the respective professor staffs of IGIT Saran, and I wish you all the best for your future. And
Thank you,
always
sir.
think IGIT. I am a student from IGIT, and be proud for your college, for yourself, and do the best in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you. Next time we'll meet.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this beautiful session.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.